Google's Pixel 5 was the last of its kind. From time to time, I'll grab a random device out of the Verge reviews closet and spend a week or two with it. It's mostly out of random curiosity and for the sake of comparing old products against the latest and greatest. Most recently, I was drawn to Google's Pixel 5. So I gave it a factory reset, updated the phone to Android 12, and have been using it as my daily driver for the past several days. The experience has been fantastic. I've got very large hands, an iPhone 13 Pro Max doesn't look out of place in them, and I prefer large screens, so I don't think I could fully switch over to the Pixel 5. But it's such a good small phone, by 2022 standards, that I've certainly been tempted. The Pixel 5 makes it easy to do anything I need one-handed. Its mid-range processor performs better than ever on Android 12, and this phone still looks unique next to the competition. Above all else, I've come away disappointed that Google gave up on the Pixel 5's style and size after just 1 year. The smallest phone in the company's lineup is currently the Pixel 5a, which has a 6.3-inch display. To its credit, Google is shrinking things down slightly with the upcoming 6a. But with the A-series models, you're giving up niceties like the 90Hz display and wireless charging. In those ways, the Pixel 5 might be the last of its kind in Google's lineup. So much for the even bezels, too.